Hey and welcome, I'm Bastiaan de Koning from Jiffy Courses Online. And in this video I'll show you how you can add a Pinterest hover over button on your images in Kajabi within just a few minutes. Pinterest is a great search engine when it comes to images, and I think many online entrepreneurs ignore this platform. At least I did. I've had Pinterest for 7 years, completely ignored it, but now I refound it. And when you want to use Pinterest for your content, for your blogs, for your images, and you want to make it really easy for your customers and your visitors to use Pinterest on their site or on their boards, to use your pages on their boards, then you can add a nice, neat button on the images so they can click on it and they immediately post your images on their board on Pinterest. They will do the work for you. In this video I'll show you step by step how you can do it and how you can add this to your blog pages only and not to your complete website. And let's go to that part. But first, if you're a Kajabi user already, really awesome, and I really hope that you like this video. And if you do, click the like button, click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you think I need a little bit more help, you can call me, you can send me an email, and let's get in contact. And if you're not a Kajabi user yet, you should be. But you can try out Kajabi for free, 28 days completely for free, if you follow my link, and it's jiffycoursesonline.com/Kajabi. And you'll find a link just below this video also. And I must say, it's an affiliate link, and this means that when you start with Kajabi, when you start paying for Kajabi after 28 days, and why shouldn't you, because it's really awesome, I'll get a little bit commission from Kajabi, and it will cost you absolutely nothing. You pay exactly the same price as you would pay if you go to Kajabi directly today and sign up through their site. So you just help me to make these videos, that's all. But I needed to say this. To create a Pinterest button, you don't need to have technical skills, and you don't need the technology knowledge to use code it and know what to do with it. If you can copy and paste, just follow my steps and I walk you through the whole process. Pinterest made it very easy to use this button on your page, and they created even a website, a web page for it that you can use to add this code to your page. So let's first go to the website, the widget builder from Pinterest, and the link for the widget builder is also below the video. And we come to this page. You see there are several options you can use on your website. You can use the save button, you can use a follow button, pins, you can add boards to your site. It's really nice. If you want to work with Pinterest, you should play with the widget builder and use it on your website. It's very, very neat. But we use the save button today because we only want to have a little hover over button on images. And for this, let's go to the button type, and we want to have it as an image hover. Now you see an image here on the right side. You see there's also, when you hover over, a little spot that says bewaren. It means save in English. I don't want to have the text because we have an international language, so let's just use the image, and when we select round, it's gone. All the text is gone. You have the image, and I think this is a little bit too small, so let's select large also, and there it is. And the next step, the only thing you need to do is copy this code, and make sure you copy all the code. Don't leave any bracket behind. Copy it from, copy everything that's there. Okay. Copy or press Command C. And now let's get to your Kajabi website. There are two options you can choose. And the first option is to put it in the script that Kajabi provides. So this script will be placed on all your pages. And that's really easy to do. You go to settings, you go to site details, scroll down till you see page scripts, and if there are already scripts there, just leave them. Scroll all the way down. You can also do this. Scroll all the way down, and below the scripts that are already there, paste your script. That's all. Click on save, and now it will work. And this button will be on all the images on all your website pages. And I don't think that's a good idea. Whoa, I followed this video to hear that's not a good idea. No, I don't think it's a good idea, because I don't want to have this Pinterest share button on my sales pages. I don't want to have it on my product pages. I want to have it on the pages that I want people to share. And these pages are my blog pages. So I don't want to have it on all my websites, all my pages. I just want to have it on the blog pages. And for this, we need to add the code specifically to the place where the blog pages are edited or coded as you wish. And for this, delete the code here. Don't press save, or save if you have already saved it before. Let's go to website. And now you have the new Encore web design in front of you. And here you can find a lot of pages already. And if you have less pages, you have probably the Premiere website, and it's a bit more tricky to do it with Premiere. If you still have Premiere, I'll show you how you can be sure you have Encore and not Premiere. It's really now a great time to upgrade just these pages. If you have a great homepage, leave it, but upgrade your blog post and upgrade your store, because it's so much more flexible. Scroll down till you see blog post and click customize. Now the page will open. You can verify you're on the blog post, because you can see it on the left side at the bottom, blog post. If you see blog over here, don't use this page, because then the code will be posted on your overview page with all the blog posts. We want to have it on the blog post itself, the individual blog posts. And what I told you, just very fast, click on settings, and you'll find the page template you have. And if you have Encore 1.0.0, this is the page you need, or a higher version of this. If there's Premiere here, first update this theme. It's a better solution. Back to the blog post. On the left side, you have the sections, and you can click add section. And this will add a section at the bottom of your blog post, and it will be on all the blog posts. And what we add here is a custom code. Just scroll down, click on custom code, select add. Now it's there, you don't see anything, but if you hover over, you find here a block, and this is the custom code. It's the same as over here. Click on it, and here you can place, delete what is in there, you can place a script from Pinterest. Click on save, and it already works. If I scroll up, you'll probably see it already on my images. Here it is. You see, there it is. But what I don't like is that I have a very big wide section here, and I want to get rid of this section. And there are two parts. This little block has some padding, and we need to get rid of that padding. And for this, click on the custom code block. Go to desktop layout, scroll down, and find the make flush option. Click on it, and now this block is squeezed. But also the section has some padding. And for this, click on the white somewhere in the section, and you'll see that the sidebar changes. And here you have the desktop layout, and set the desktop padding section padding to 0 on top and 0 on bottom. Now it's gone, but also do this on the mobile version. Don't forget to do that. Mobile 0, 0. If you click save, this section is completely hidden. You can't see it on the page, but it is still loaded. This is not the same that as you would hide this section. It's not hidden, it's just squeezed. If you like, you can rename this section and call it Pinterest code. So when you come back after a month or after a year, then you still understand, here's the Pinterest code. There I can find it. That's all. Let's see how it worked. Let's go to a preview of this page. We save the page, go to preview, and here's the preview of a blog post. If we scroll over the image, there it is, select the image, and it will start your Pinterest. Let's just add it to one of my boards, and I can save, and now it's saved. It's saved on marketing strategy. And let's see how it looks. If you go to this, you see that Pinterest already took the SEO information also from your blog post, which software is right for your online course. It's here, which software is right for your online course. And if you go to this image, you go back to the blog post where we all started. That's all, and this is very nice, it's very neat, it is easy to do. It's just over there, it's loaded at the end of the page, so your page wouldn't be much more slower because of this little extra code. I don't think it will be slower at all. That's all. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and give me a like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to try out Kajabi, go to jiffycoursesonline.com/Kajabi and you can try out Kajabi for 28 days for free. I'm Bastiaan de Koning, thank you for watching, and if you go out, just stay focused, grow and inspire the people around you.